This is the Skycopter by Skypersonic. It's a tiny little drone that can sneak where other drones can't go. The Skycopter has roots from the racing drones world, so it's very powerful yet lightweight and extremely sturdy. This drone is flown a lot like a racing drone, so without any kind of assisted flight mode. Can be flown in FPV with goggles or in line of sight, and it features a tiltable camera, 1080p 60 fps. Can get in little holes, can get in structures where there is not a lot of space to fly, where turbulence is very strong, and this foldable cage allows it to be crashing against any surface or even on the floor from some height without taking any kind of damage. A system patented by Skypersonic called Skyloc can be used in conjunction with the Skycopter to give it autonomous GPS flights and assisted flight, even indoors. Under a bridge, for example, with a lot of metal, the flight is not affected at all, and the pilot can fly FPV and sneak inside the little holes or little places where also other kind of robots or humans can get. The drone is born to fly indoor, but it can be very good in outdoor situations as well, thanks to its powerful motors.
The Skycopter can be kept stable against the surface to collect high-resolution details up to 150 microns per pixel. At this distance, also other sensor systems can be fitted on the drone and used for specific sampling.
This kind of drone and its uses are a good way to get young pilots, enthusiast FPV pilots, to the working environments. Using this kind of technology, they can work with their capabilities to help engineers and other kind of personnel to get the job done in complex inspections where a very good pilot is needed to sneak in small places. During a test inspection at the Delaware Memorial Bridge near Philadelphia, this drone was very helpful to show to the engineers little spots that they weren't able to reach in any other way. The ability to fly in FPV without any assistance, but just with a good pilot, allowed to go very close to joints and to other details that technicians had to see, and they never had the opportunity to see before with standard drones. Thanks to its powerful LED lighting system, the drone can go in full darkness and take very good images also in situations where the pilot can't see the drone itself.